Hey, you're Devlina, right?
Yes.
The famous nutritionist? Hey, listen, I have a question, right? I want to lose fat, but I don't want to leave rice. What can I do?
So the easiest way to have your rice, that overnight cook it and then next day reheat it. So in that way you can increase the rice resistant starch. Because of that the rice GI value goes down. So of course the portion size also important. So you can have it your rice, you can enjoy it.
That is interesting. But I also love aloo. Look, I am a Bengali and I love aloo. What about aloo? Can I have that in my diet?
Of course you can add your potato, but only thing you have to remember that rice and potato both are the source of your starch, right? So have it separate. Like you can have it during your snacks time easily. So who asked you to stop eating your aloo? You can always indulge it.
That is true. Nobody asked me. But so what somebody had asked me is to have ice cream after every meal. They say that reduces the sugar spike. Is that true?
I don't think so. What do you think? Do you eat everyday ice cream?
Yes, I love gelato.
Gelato, that is something fancy word. What you were talking about that. So this all are the sugar trap. So you can of course enjoy your ice cream, but not after having your meal immediately. If you really wanted to enjoy, have it after lunch, after few minutes, and in the evening please go to the gym and burn all the calories what you had.
Okay, then what about yogurt? I love yogurt, but I also love sweet yogurt.
Okay, another questions about the yogurt. Of course, yogurt is something which is plain yogurt. Of course, you can have it. That is healthy. But the sweetened yogurt, which is having the sugar, extra added sugar, that is something not good. So you take a fresh yogurt without sweetener and add some fresh fruits. That combination always goes good, but not the sweetened one.
Wow, I seriously learned something new today. Thank you, Devlina. I will come back to you if more questions. Bye.